Morfa Architecture's Ring House is an avant-garde vision for a residential building of tomorrow. This conceptual design boasts a distinctive circular structure, delicately poised between two imposing mountains while elegantly hovering above a tranquil river. One of its standout features is an upper-floor circular pool with a transparent bottom, providing residents with an enchanting view of the lush vegetation and the flowing river below. Beyond its aesthetic allure, the Ring House is firmly committed to sustainability and eco-friendliness. It draws its energy from solar sources and efficiently harvests rainwater for irrigation purposes. Additionally, the building is adorned with a verdant roof, effectively mitigating the urban heat island effect and enhancing air quality. The Ring House embodies innovation and promises an unparalleled living experience for its future occupants. It serves as a captivating glimpse into the forthcoming era of sustainable architecture. Although still in its conceptual phase, this remarkable creation has already garnered global attention, gracing the pages of various esteemed architecture and design publications, and even becoming the star of a captivating short film. Saudi Arabia has unveiled ambitious plans for a groundbreaking mirrored skyscraper, stretching an astounding 170 kilometers in length, known as the Line. This monumental architectural wonder is set to be a pivotal component of the Neon Megacity project. The Line will take the form of a linear city, standing 500 meters tall and spanning an impressive 200 meters in width, destined to accommodate a population of up to 9 million inhabitants. The city's design places paramount importance on sustainability and futurism, with all essential amenities a mere 5-minute walk from any point within its bounds. This extraordinary metropolis will draw its power from renewable energy sources and feature a high-speed transportation network that will whisk residents from one end to the other in a mere 20 minutes, revolutionizing urban mobility. While the Line is currently in its nascent planning stages, it is slated for completion by the year 2030. This ambitious undertaking is an integral facet of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 initiative aimed at diversifying the nation's economy and reducing its reliance on oil. Zaha Hadid Architects has crafted a mesmerizing animation that unveils the proposed Sverdlovsk Philharmonic concert hall, destined for the city of Ekaterinburg, Russia. This captivating visual journey commences with a sweeping bird's-eye perspective of the cityscape, where the concert hall emerges from the ground with the grace of a majestic wave. The camera then gracefully zooms in, gradually revealing the hall's intricate and sinuous contours, offering viewers a glimpse of its extraordinary design. Throughout the animation, the concert hall is presented from various angles, each one accentuating its distinctiveness. The hall's exterior is composed of an intricate array of interlocking glass panels, producing a shimmering and captivating effect that adds to its allure. Stepping inside, the interior of the hall is equally awe-inspiring, featuring a soaring ceiling and a stage enveloped by audience seating on all sides. The animation further transports us into the heart of a performance, showcasing musicians on stage and a captivated audience, all immersed in the enchanting melodies filling the hall. The music resonates within the hall, its harmonious notes reverberating off the gracefully curved surfaces, creating an atmosphere that is nothing short of magical. Beijing Daxing International Airport, graced with its inaugural opening on September 25, 2019, under the auspices of Chinese President Xi Jinping, is a remarkable aviation hub situated on the border of Beijing and Langfang, Hebei Province. It has earned the affectionate moniker the Starfish due to its distinctive architectural design. This airport stands as a vital complement to Beijing's existing aviation infrastructure, harmoniously sharing its responsibilities with Beijing Capital International Airport, PEK. The primary mission behind its construction was to alleviate congestion at PEK and to meet the burgeoning demand for air travel across China. With a staggering capacity to accommodate up to 100 million passengers annually and transport 2 million tons of cargo, Beijing Daxing boasts 4 runways and a sprawling terminal encompassing an impressive 700,000 square meters. Designed for efficiency and passenger convenience, it prides itself on allowing travelers to reach any gate within a mere 8 minutes, ensuring smooth and seamless transitions. Incorporating cutting-edge technology, Daxing Airport is equipped with a slew of advanced features, including facial recognition software, self-service check-in kiosks, and automated baggage handling systems, elevating the airport experience to new heights. Carlo Ratti, the founding partner of CRA, Carlo Ratti Associated, and the director of the MIT Sensible City Lab, has put forth an ambitious master plan for Expo 2030 in Rome, an endeavor poised to become the world's largest urban solar farm. This visionary proposal encompasses a sprawling 4.3 square kilometer site situated within the Tor di Valle neighborhood, a locale that hosts the University of Rome, Tor di Valle, and the Louisville Sports Complex. Central to the concept is the deployment of a colossal solar canopy blanketing the entire area, capable of generating an ample supply of energy to not only sustain the Expo itself, but also power the surrounding community. The Expo's design thoughtfully segregates it into 3 key zones: towns, boulevards, and parks. The town section is designated for the pavilions representing participating countries. In contrast, the boulevards offer a vibrant public space replete with shops, restaurants, and cultural attractions. Finally, the parks area provides a verdant oasis with lush gardens, playgrounds, and an array of recreational facilities, ensuring a harmonious blend of sustainability and urban vitality. BIG, the Danish architecture studio, has unveiled plans for a state-of-the-art furniture factory for Vestre, a prominent Norwegian furniture manufacturer nestled within the serene expanse of a Norwegian forest. Named The Plus, this visionary factory is slated to take root in a sylvan enclave near Magner, situated in the eastern reaches of Norway. The development surrounding the factory will encompass not only cutting-edge production facilities, but also a captivating visitor center and a sprawling 300-acre park, harmoniously integrating nature and industry. The Plus Factory aspires to set a global benchmark for eco-friendliness, leveraging advanced technology and sustainable materials. Its distinctive cross-shaped layout reflects its name, with the 2 cross arms dedicated to production and storage, while the central hub houses the visitor center and other communal spaces. Locally sourced timber, low-carbon concrete, and recycled reinforcement steel will constitute its building materials, ensuring a minimal environmental footprint. This sustainable marvel will further harness the power of renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, reaffirming its commitment to ecological responsibility.